Right. It's very early in the morning. I have an 8 a.m. appointment, and I got to start driving now. This hasn't been started in months, and I don't want to drive the other one since it's not pushing out any amps. So, cold start time. Right. So one ongoing theory is that the crappy alternator from Napa is not functioning when it gets wet. So it's had overnight to sit. It's been windy with no precipitation today. We're going to see if just letting it dry out did the trick. According to the gauge, I have current coming into the vehicle now, and I don't have a check gauge light on anymore. However, I'm not totally convinced. I'm going to get an amp meter out here and test the battery for current first. So it looks like it might have been the alternator wet. That's something I've never dealt with before, and I'm pretty sure that this Napa alternator, considering it came from Napa, is a complete and total piece of crap, and probably what's squeaking and making all that noise. That being said, everything's working. It's pulling in current now. It's been tested. It, for whatever reason, got really cold all of a sudden, even though it was really warm this morning. And I have 2 more places to be today. Talk to you guys later.